Welcome to Mobile Learning Comes of Age, an introduction to the evolution of learning. Here are some of the subjects we're going to cover. What is mobile learning? Why is mobile learning the next step? How is mobile learning different from e-learning? In what ways are m-learning and e-learning similar? What does mobile learning look like? Selling mobile learning. And is this a gimmick? What is mobile learning? It's the use of mobile wireless devices, including cell phones and smartphones, to deliver instructional and informational content, courseware and message updates, and to track all the results. Why is mobile learning the next step in learning? There are over 3 billion mobile devices in the world, exceeding the number of televisions and PCs combined. By the end of 2011, smartphone sales will surpass worldwide PC sales. A growing number of these devices perform all the tasks of computers. Large segments of business culture are mobile-centric, meaning they rely on their smartphones for email, scheduling, and other needs in addition to person-to-person and conference calls. Training delivered via mobile devices is less expensive and more effective than training delivered via desktop or laptop and accessed by more people and in a timelier manner. How is mobile learning related to e-learning? Mobile learning is a natural extension of e-learning, an intranet mainstay of most enterprise learning organizations. Numerous studies have shown that training delivered via mobile devices is less expensive and more effective than training delivered via desktop or laptop computing, a case of convenience driving higher response rates. Better yet, mobile learning allows for the delivery of courseware with the same tracking and reporting capability as e-learning, the international SCORM standards used by all enterprise learning management systems. Content delivered via mobile learning is broken up into short modules using distilled bursts of text and media that make it easier to send, receive, manage, and digest. Most importantly, mobile learning and e-learning are synergistic. Mobile learning provides measurable improvement in retention when used to reinforce e-learning. How is this reinforcement applied? Let's say that 10 days ago you participated in a live classroom or online course for a new service offering that was going to be phased in over the next 2 months. Consider how much better your retention of the material will be if you were reminded, say, every 10 days or 2 weeks to review the material, or if you were presented with a short minute minder once or twice a week to keep the material fresh in your mind. This is why the delivery of mandated training to mobile devices increases compliance and retention. The immediacy and convenience of the mobile learning environment allows enhanced interaction between individuals and content in a unique way that caters to adult learning patterns, such as multitasking and custom media applications, commuting and travel, and hands-on and simulated learning experiences. What does mobile learning look like? Depending on your wireless device's operating system and memory, mobile learning features can range from well-designed text, graphics, and short audio files, including surveys and assessments, to interactive animations and video, as well as links to the Internet and Web 2.0 networking and collaborative venues. In addition to these features, Flash-based applications are beginning to appear on smartphones. In addition to performance support, we help businesses deploy flexible, innovative, and strategic mobile solutions that improve productivity, reduce costs, streamline processes, and create additional revenue opportunities. For example, we can show you how to use mobile features to facilitate enterprise communications, product introduction, sales presentations, and public relations. Imagine that you're winding up a client presentation. You've presented them with information about mobile learning services, and now it's the client's turn to ask you questions. Are you ready? In the last 5 years, we've spent $40 million keeping our people up to date with the latest information and techniques, and we plan to continue this effort. But money is tight. Why do we need to increase our training expenses by using a device designed for phone and email contact? It seems like a gimmick. How will you respond? Which are the correct responses? See this as a way of adding value to the $40 million that you've already invested. Using mobile learning for reinforcing what you've already invested will pay even bigger dividends in performance. It's convenient and your people will respond quicker, visit the content more often, and absorb more. Your people will have the information when they need it. We can adapt your profile of mobile devices to fit all your mobile needs. If you selected all the responses on the previous slide, you understand the value add that mobile learning provides. If you selected only some of the responses, mobile learning has a lot more to offer than you're currently aware. Thanks for joining us in this mobile learning demonstration. We hope you found this both informative and helpful in your business endeavors.